Hi, today I am unboxing my new camera 5D Mark IV. I am very excited and let's get started. So I have waited at least 2 months for this camera, and recently I have for last 3 years I have been working with my old camera which was 60D, and I am upgrading my camera with new latest the flagship camera of 5D Mark IV, Canon's flagship camera. So here it is, the book. Please. Brand new camera stripe of Mark IV. We find it. New cable. This camera has Wi-Fi capability, so I don't think it's useful, because Wi-Fi camera will be great for portrait shoot or product shoot when the photo will be uploaded exact 3 second time with the camera laptop thing. So what is this? The camera. What is this? Okay, the lens. As I have mentioned earlier, this lens is the latest lens, 24 or 105. Brand new lens. So the hood, battery, charger, these all things, small things, and last, the camera itself. So I have get rid of boxes and plastic bags and all. So finally we got here the USB cable, which you can use in attaching in laptops and computer or something. So the cable, camera stripe, the brand new Mark IV. Too much excited. Battery as it is, with the cable, battery, book. We want the book and series. There is a piece, the lot simpler, less heavier body of 5D Mark IV with new lens. So we attach to the body itself. Let's hear the sound. Very silent sound, but I like this type of sound because for some kind of shoots like portrait shoot or something, the noise of the room will be silent and the camera's click will play a big role for a photographer. That I love the click, I love the sound. So that's it, the unboxing of 5D Mark IV. Thanks for watching.